is a new day for this first gen 4Runner. Parked in here, it's probably going on 5 years now. It's 87, does have the V6, not the 4-cylinder. It is a 5-speed. We're gonna put some fresh fuel in it, pump up the tires, and we all know how Toyotas are. It should fire. Let's try this again. Okay. Woo! Hoo, 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 hoo. Up, up. She's purring. 5 years in the making here. Just don't want to stall it. There we go. But let's get her strapped down, and we'll be stay tuned for the next phase. Gonna get it cleaned up. Gonna get a couple of detail guys and probably get the wheels on it, and then we're gonna talk about customization. So Zabos Customs, welcome to the YouTube channel.